Hello everyone, I am here. This is Nellie from Be Planner Happy. I am doing a week in my gratitude journal. This is actually this week. I'm running behind. It's been a busy weekend, blah, blah, blah. I'm using Happy Illustrations, continuing with this one since we got it for $2. I saw this page and I was kind of inspired by it, so this is the one we're going to use today. Let me move my plant because it's in my way. So we are in our Skinny Mini Gratitude Journal, and the idea that I had, I'm also going to use the Sharpie S-Note Duo and this washi. So let's get started. This was the idea I had. So I was looking at this page trying to figure out how I was going to use it. And with this big thing here, I thought, now if it doesn't work, you know, I'm going to take it off. But let's see, I don't want to cover up the 9, and I kind of want to be somewhat centered. So let's do it right here. I should tape this down, but I'm gonna do it like this. All right, I hope that was good enough. Let's see. And then I thought I'll take this because it kind of matches, you know, these. I thought it would be kind of cute if it did like this, or should I do 2 and 2? I think I'm gonna do 2 and 2. Let's just do, I'm gonna line it up right on the edge so that we don't have to cut there. There's my Washi Cutter. And then I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to try and go kind of fast because my husband wants me to go to Publix with him. And he said, I've got 15 minutes. I said, give me 20. All right. And then we're going to go this way. I hope it comes out okay. I think it's going to. Does that look straight? It looks pretty straight. All right. So I'm trying to really make an effort, even though I keep buying stuff, I'm trying to not buy stuff. And I'm trying to use what I've got, you know? And it's so hard, especially like all of these, like Live Love Posh and Mojo Jojo. Although I really haven't bought hers because I feel like I can make my own boxes, you know? Even though it'd be really convenient just to have all of her boxes. But since I make stickers and I make boxes, it's kind of, this one's going to be a little tricky. Let's see. Let's do like this. Oh, and I am covering up the dates. I did not want to do that. Oh, well. All right. So I'm going to have to come up with something for the dates. So let's see if I can cut this. First, we're going to go this way. Oh, nope, that didn't work. Okay, which means I'm going to have to get my little cutter. I wonder if this one would work. Didn't I have my... Let's see. Let's put it on here, like this. I'm nervous, guys. Let's see if this works without cutting the page. And then this way, right? Let's see right here. And let's go like that. But how far? Just to this little edge. This is called a slice. I'll link it in my description. It's pretty cool. It's good for cutting stuff like this. Let's see if it worked. Oh. It did. Okay. That looks good enough. I can come in with my black marker and like mark that in. But you know what? I don't even think you're going to notice. Do you? I don't think so. Okay. So I wanted to do that. And then I wanted to add a few of these. And then I want to use the marker. I find it really easy to write on the markers. So this is kind of full up here, right? You know what? I'm just going to cover this because I'm going to have to come up with something anyway, right? For the, where's my layout? For the dates. So I'm just going to cover it. And I'll come up with something for June also. So let's just cover them. And then we don't have to worry about them. Although, you know, the only reason I didn't was because when you write on this stuff with the marker, it looks like a different color, you know. Let's take that off. And this one. And I can always use my my other little white marker thing. Okay. So let's put one here. And then these are just so cute. Let's put one of these here. Or did I want it here? You know what? How about we just do the four corners? This one can go like this. And this one is going to match. Oh, I should have covered up the 2024. Okay. Let me cover up the 2024. And we are about to add a bunch of color. And I'm wondering if I should just use, these. I don't know. Let me figure out what I'm going to use for the dates and I'll be right back. Okay, I found these. And I think I'm going to use these, but what I'm going to do is, since this is the 3rd, I'm going to do like this. I'm going to use 3. Let me put the dates first, right? So I'm going to put 3 and then 4. And I'm going to try and go over that so that I don't have to worry about if I use a marker. 5, 6. You know, I only had like the kind of overall idea of what I was doing here. So I'm sorry if it doesn't come out good. 8. And then here's 9. I just knew I wanted to use these. Okay. So then with the dates, what I want to do is, instead of using like the whole Monday, I'm going to cut it. And it's just going to say Mon. Like this. That way. They're smaller. Monday. And then Tuesday is going to be twos. Like this. And then Wednesday is just going to be wed. And I think that looks fine. It's okay to cut your stickers when they don't work for you. And Thursday. And then Friday is going to be fry. Okay. I'm really trying to get caught up. I don't know why I'm always like decorating the week of instead of the week before. All right, this one's going to be a little tricky because I don't want to cut the T. That's good. Saturday. How am I doing on time? 9 minutes. Okay. Sunday. Okay. All right. Now I want to use the markers. I definitely want to use this bright yellow, which I'm pretty sure is this one. So let's start with that one. What I want to do is, I'm just going to do some lines. And I need this because I am bad at drawing lines straight. My lines always come out all squiggly. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to do like this one and then one more, and then I will pause it and do the rest. That way you guys don't have to watch for everyone. I feel like that one should have been thicker. But there. Ah, too close. Yeah, let's make this one a little thicker. Let's see if I can do it. No. Oh, I screwed it up. But you know what? It's okay. We can screw up in our planners. It's no big deal. All right, so I like the yellow. And then the other colors that I liked, let's see. Let's add a couple of these. I think this is cute. So yellow, pink, we want the green also. Let's try that green, which is the one next to the yellow, which is this one. Put this back, even though I'm going to use it again. Okay, I'm going to do the green, and then I'm going to pause it, and I'll do the rest, and I'll show you guys. But basically, this is what I'm doing. I am just, oh, did I take the wrong side off? I'm missing a thing. It's probably in here. It is. There it is. Isn't that cute? It's got like a little dot, like I just did on my finger. All right, so let's do these. Like that. Like that. I could have done a better job, I guess, by spacing those out a little bit better, but I just, you know what? It can look a little bit like crazy. And I think I'm going to do the purple. let's see. So that purple is the one next to the blue. Which purple? Do we like this one or that one? I think it's this one. Let's go with this one. I try to put them back in order. Another thing that I do sometimes with my markers when I do this is I will assign a number, and then I will get like a dot sticker, like a bullet, dot, and put the number on there and then number my markers. That way, when I'm pulling them out, I'll know, which one is which. Because sometimes it's hard to tell because the color really isn't true to what's on the cap. I mean, it kind of matches, but it kind of doesn't sometimes. So numbering my markers makes it easier. Okay, I think that's cute. And then we'll do the yellow again here. And then I'm going to pause it and do the rest, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I did the markers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these, and I'm going to cut them and fit them. Let me take all this off first. And then I'm going to fit them in here and there and see where they look best. But I kind of have to cut them because they're kind of, they're pretty big. So I want them to fit in different areas. Let's go ahead and do this one. Cut the yellow off. Let's put that one there. This yellow one. I can just let's put it right here, and I'll cut that off. And then this one, the green and the pink. Let's do this one here. And let's do the pink. Pink there. And then let's get some more. Like this. I'm trying to fit them in. This is cute here. Like that. So let me get the pink off. Like this. And then we can do, let's see, purple. I think I'm going to put over here. Just put the cute little discs everywhere. And I think I kind of like my idea. I think it came out okay. We'll see once I cut it. And I'm sure my husband's ready to go. And I will hurry. Let's cut this off. Put that there. And then I've got a pink and a purple. Let's do the pink and the purple down here. Pink. I'm sorry, purple. And then the pink. That. And we need some over here. This one. Let's do this right here. And cut this one off. Cut like that. And then let's do a few more over here. Actually, I don't want to repeat the green one here because I just did that one there, huh? So we'll do the yellow because we don't have a yellow there. So let's do a yellow. Yellow. Where else do we need one? I'm going to put that pink up here. Got a bunch of stuff on it. Do the pink there. And then I still have these. Do I want to put these anywhere? Do we want to just cut them? Let's put these here. And then, let's see, we got one more yellow. Let's put the yellow here. Maybe one over here in this corner. These right here. Okay, let's cut it. Let's cut it and see how it looks. And we're going to punch it and put it in our planner. Oh no! Okay, so next week we're going to have to use a lot of boxes to cover what those markers just did to the other side. Ooh. That's why I like my Mr. Pen markers. I find that they don't bleed through as much. Alright, let's go this way. I don't have to cut the washi, I just have to cut this. Alright, now let's punch it. Let's see how it looks. I'm coming. Almost done. Okay, and then where's our, here it is. Let's put it here. Let's see how it looks. And there we go. Ta-da. Oh, there's some on here. That's okay. All right, and there is our planner inspired gratitude journal page. done with happy illustration that only cost us $2. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.